Millions of Americans suffer from depression. And I guarantee you that you, your friends, your family, somebody suffers from depression that you know. And there's a couple things that you can do to make sure that you don't fall into that same trap. Now, the first thing is you need to understand what depression is. It's an imbalance in your hormones. It makes you feel low, not uplifted, the opposite of happy. Okay, and the reason that the hormones are imbalanced is because the nervous system, which controls them, is not functioning properly. Your nervous system controls every single cell, tissue, organ in your body. Your hormones fall into that category. So, if you've got an imbalance, you're rest assured you're going to have symptoms such as depression. You might have other things, weight gain, difficulty sleeping. There's a list of symptoms that go along with that, but we're talking about depression today. Now, eating incorrectly, thinking incorrectly, also play a role in why somebody might have depression. So you got to make sure you're addressing those as well. But the key and the most important ingredient is your nervous system. Because without that balance, those hormones are never going to be properly balanced. So what I suggest you do is seek out a chiropractor. Somebody who's trained to address where there's interference or problems in your nervous system and get them corrected. Once that's corrected, the hormones balance out. And then the symptoms like depression and sleeping problems, those things tend to fade away and your body performs and functions better. Now, normally when a patient comes in, they don't tell me about their depression. I tend to find out weeks, months down the line after they've been getting checked and adjusted regularly. And a lot of times, they're not the ones that tell me. The person who tell me is the spouse. They come and say, you know what? My wife has been so much nicer and in such a better mood. As most of the time, it's the other person that's living with the person who was depressed. So if you have that or you know someone that does, get them to a chiropractor, get them checked for nervous system interference, and get them their life they want and deserve.